Hello everyone, welcome back to the Microsoft Excel tutorial journey with me on my Knowledge Factor YouTube channel. This is our 47th session in this journey, and now that we have got a Microsoft Excel chart created, there are lots of options that you get into to make it look display way that you want it. There are options to turn features off, such as the legend. We can turn it off, you can move it around, you can change its size, you can change the bar colors, the size of the bars, change the chart title, you can scale along the y-axis, or these values here. There are so many options that you can get into. So the first thing I want to do before we dive in and start to manipulate this chart is show you where all these tools are located at. Now, depending on the version of Excel that you are working on, I am currently through an Office or Microsoft 365 account, and so when I select my chart, I get these three options here, these three little icons off to the right, which give me lots of features. The first one is about adding or removing chart elements, the next one is about formatting, and the last one there is like a little funnel. That's your filter command, so you can filter charts inside of Excel. Now if you are on the earlier version, such as 2007, 2010, you're not going to have those little icons. Now where I believe I get to go back and confirm once again with the latest release, but I don't believe those are on the Mac release either. But with the chart selected, you can also go up to the tabs at the top of the screen, and you have now got the chart design and format tab, where you will find all the same features with the exception of the filter command, and that one is specific to the newer releases of Microsoft Excel. But everything else you are going to find here at the top. So on the chart design, if you go there, I have got things like adding elements, removing chart elements. I can change the quick layout pick from some predefined layouts. I have got some chart styles to be able to pull from, and the handful of other operations there. On the format tab, it's all about formatting, changing the colors, the color of the chart, the bars, the text element on there, anything that you want to format you will find on the format tab there. So all your features are right there at your fingertips, really easy to dive into. But I'm going to focus a little more on the ribbon. I will talk a little bit about those three buttons on the right hand side, but once again, depending on the version you have, you may not have those. So take a quick moment before we get in there. Select the chart, identify your tabs at the top of the screen, chart design, format tab. Again, if you are on earlier version, they might be called something slightly different, but you are going to get all the features there at the top of the screen. So try it out. Click the chart, find your tabs, find your little icons if you got them, and then we'll jump in and start to format. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and as I always say, if you really liked it and enjoying the journey, then please do like, share and subscribe my channel, and also press the bell icon to get the latest content update on this channel. Alright, then we'll meet up in the next session. In case you have any questions, any concerns, then do let me know in the comment section of this video. Till the time, goodbye and take care.